Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the impact of human activity on our planet. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you a fascinating story today. Deep in the heart of Indonesia, a critical habitat for one of the most endangered species on Earth is under threat. The Tapanuli orangutan, found only in the island of Sumatra, is facing a major challenge to its survival due to mining activities. A UK-based mining company, Jardine Matheson, has been operating in the region for over a decade and plans to expand its operations, which would lead to the clearing of more primary forest. The Tapanuli orangutan is already on the brink of extinction, with only around 800 individuals remaining in the wild. The loss of their habitat due to mining and other human activities has pushed them to the edge, and conservation efforts are underway to protect this magnificent creature. However, the mining company's plans have sparked concerns among environmentalists and scientists, who argue that even indirect effects of mining can have a devastating impact on the orangutans. Studies have shown that female orangutans, in particular, are sensitive to habitat loss and may not move when they lose parts of their home range, leaving them at risk of starvation. Moreover, pushing orangutan groups closer together can lead to social tensions and conflicts. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has been working with the mining company to develop a plan to mitigate the impact of mining on the orangutans, but progress has been slow. In recent weeks, there have been some positive developments, with the mining company signing a conditional memorandum of understanding with the IUCN's Avoid, Reduce, Restore and Conserve Task Force. This agreement allows scientists to provide independent input on the mine's development plans and mitigation strategy. However, many experts remain skeptical about the effectiveness of these measures in protecting the Tapanuli orangutan. As we consider the fate of this incredible species, it's essential to remember that the natural world is full of complex relationships and delicate balances. Human activities, such as mining, can have far-reaching consequences for the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. The story of the Tapanuli orangutan serves as a reminder of the importance of responsible and sustainable practices in preserving the beauty and diversity of our planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves underwater, surrounded by the vibrant sounds of coral reefs. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating new technology that's helping scientists unravel the mysteries of fish communication. Imagine being able to pinpoint the exact location and species of a fish just by listening to its unique sound. It may seem like science fiction, but thanks to the development of an innovative underwater camera known as the Omnidirectional Underwater Passive Acoustic Camera, or UPAC 360 degrees, this is now a reality. This remarkable device records continuous audio and video in all directions, detecting the direction of a fish sound and isolating the corresponding section of video to help determine which fish were present at the time the sound was made. Even with many fish swimming about in a single video segment, the device can home in on a specific fish's position. By using this technology, researchers have been able to identify the sounds of 46 species of fish in the Caribbean island country of Curaçao, none of which had publicly available wild recordings before. This breakthrough has significant implications for our understanding of fish populations and behavior, particularly for the more than 4,000 species listed as vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered by the IUCN. As we learn more about the complex social interactions of fish, we're constantly reminded of just how much we still have to discover about the natural world. The development of this technology is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to understand and protect the incredible diversity of life on our planet. The team behind this research is already working on new versions of the camera that will be capable of recording in deeper, darker waters, which will undoubtedly lead to even more exciting discoveries. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the ocean, we're reminded of the importance of preserving these ecosystems for future generations. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we explore the wonders of our natural world. Today, we're going on a journey to the lush forests of Malaysia, where a remarkable discovery was made at a popular picnic site. Amidst the hustle and bustle of human activity, a naturalist stumbled upon an unusual plant with whitish peach flowers growing near the buttress of a tree. This chance encounter led researchers to collect and analyze specimens, revealing that it was a new-to-science species of fairy lantern, which they've named Thismia selingorensis. Fairy lanterns are a group of plants that lack chlorophyll, spending most of their lives underground, hidden from view. They're mycoheterotrophic, meaning they parasitize fungi for their nutrient supply. The newly described Vismia selangorensis only blooms between October and February, and its flowers are often small and inconspicuous, hidden beneath leaf litter or root buttresses. What's striking about this discovery is that it was made in an ordinary environment, not in some remote jungle. As the study's lead author, Siti Munirah Mat Yuno notes, this discovery shows that significant scientific finds are not limited to remote jungles. They can also be made in ordinary environments where constant human activity leaves little room for expectation. Unfortunately, the Vismia selangorensis appears to be rare, with fewer than 20 individuals recorded since its discovery in 2023. All of these plants were found within a small area of the picnic site, and their populations are vulnerable to trampling and river flooding. As a result, the researchers have assessed the species as critically endangered. The survival of Vismia selangorensis depends on how carefully we tread in its habitat. Protecting this extraordinary plant will require cooperation among researchers, the forest department, stakeholders, and the public. As Yuno emphasizes, the most important effort now is to raise awareness about this species so the public realizes that it exists, right here, in this small corner of the world, and nowhere else, at least for now. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and fragility of our natural world. The discovery of Vismia selangorensis reminds us that there's still so much to explore and discover, even in the most unexpected places. It also highlights the importance of conservation and protecting our planet's precious biodiversity. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.